go to my birthday fishing trip, and look, there's a magnetic sand inside, and look, I can ride it fast. Watch. But we didn't get a lot of stuff. Look how backed up is the car. And Dad is in the front driving. And I'm in here. It's automatic too.
Yeah.
Look at that. We need to go back because Dad got about the cooler. There's Dad getting all our stuff. Oh, sorry. Our cooler. It's just left again. We need to go back home all again because we forgot about my medicine because I have an ear infection. There's Dad having my medicine. Where is that? This time we are going for real.
Hello guys, this is our really good cabin that our grandma and grandpa have. This is Ava, and this is Emery. And we're about to give you a tour of the cabin. Let's go in. So this is where we get all of our water, our heat and other stuff. This is the guest bedroom. And as we're gonna go through here, this is the living room, which is really cool. The cabin is really beautiful inside because look at this pretty piece of art. You also have a nice window here, which I would like to look out because I like looking at squirrels, and over there's like a big log. I might bring you to that today to see if there's any snakes under it.
I love snakes.
Yeah, I know you do.
I love snakes. They're in my heart.
This is the kitchen. This is the sink. This is the oven.
Oh, and here's my favorite toy ball. I miss you so
Bro,
much.
so yeah, this is the cabin, and we are staying this until Sunday.
Hi, this is the tree here. Over here, my sister's wrapping some on me, is the wood pile. And there's a lot of wood. And we like to do this. And because, well, I like to do it. Because I like the peace sign. But my awesome favorite one is love. Love in my heart. Love in Jesus. Hi. This is me. You again. So, this is the camera on. And I am a memory. This is my rocking chair. And this is Grandma's house. This is my grandma's house. And I don't live with them. That's just so beautiful. And that guy too. You aren't filming. Yeah, he does that all the time. This is Jackson. And I have an ear infection. Yeah, he do. Can I see mine? Ow!
Oh, wow.
Oh
my goodness.
Clean.
Hey, Jackson, come here. Did you catch anything? Where'd you catch?
Oh, no,
No, you
brother. No.
didn't. Oh, thank you,
Can
Emery.
I play that?
Sure.
Okay, it's time for a go! It's time to rub his feet. No!
My feet.
Okay.
You do the rubbing feet, I do the rubbing hands.
Thank you. Harder. I should have run mine off.
Hey Josh, just shoot them after.
Out of my head.
Don't care about them.
No.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Hit it. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yes, you can have a turn. It's
Ava's
What?
I don't think you can either, you little boy. You little non-guard boy. Get dunked on!
Hi.
Oh.
This is what Jackson does with.
8-18. Who's choking me?
That's Jackson. This is my brother. This is my second uncle. Is my second uncle here? Let me help it. And here is JD. He's the best uncle ever.
Yeah. You don't like blankets? Ava.
That's down by the lake.
Ava.
Joe.
Emery, why don't you like blankets?
What's wrong with you?
Supposed to leave at like 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I assumed you guys were going to be up here fishing. Like, at noon.
I was going to, but then Spotters couldn't figure out how to do his job.
What am I watching?
Oh, are you getting your ears pierced? Nice.
We were so scared to go to bed.
Hi, Asher.
We were just going to go to bed.
So,
What happened to you?
What? Just running late.
We got engaged before he came here.
Yeah.
who? That's going to be Jackson and Joe's. Right?
Say goodnight.
Huggy.
Huggy Jackson?
Sure.
See you in the morning, Jackson. Bye.
Girls, I'm going to shut this door a little bit too, okay?
Wake up, buddy. Jackson, you wanna go fishing now?
Do you like the donut?
Jackson, rate your donut on a scale of 1 to 10. Alright, I'll have a bite of your donut. Hop on out, let's go.
It's gonna be like you guys in Florida.
We're going to go fishing.
And we're gonna go drive to the lake and we'll see what we could catch. If we don't catch anything, we still have tomorrow, so. Whoa, I love sunsets. Wait, this is no way. That is so, oh my goodness. Did you catch anything yet? Joe.
On?
Oh,
Nope, he's still.
oh
Real,
yeah.
real. He's still on.
Hey, JD!
Bring him in. What do you got?
Oh, it's northern.
Pike.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jackson.
JD! I caught a fish!
Nice, Asher. There you go, Asher. Nice job.
Wow.
All right. Say goodbye, fish.
Goodbye, fish.
It's a bass. First bass of the trip. Everybody kiss the fish goodbye.
Goodbye.
Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Asher, give him a kiss.
Grab that thing, give him a big old smooch, and throw him back. Oh! Sorry.
You got it, bud.
Jackson, you want a reel? Here you go.
Yeah.
Take it.
It's a northern.
Reel him in.
That's a northern.
Upside down. You got it upside down. That doesn't matter. Reel it in.
That's a northern.
Bring him in.
Oh my god.
Dad,
Come on. No, you got it. You got it. Oh, that's a nice pass.
Dad, no.
Nope, it's all you. You're going to do it.
Dad, no. It's too big.
Okay, I'll pull a little bit for you. Okay, now reel. Reel? You got it upside down. Hold it like that. There you go. Now do it. Yep, keep reeling. Yep, go. Pull up and then reel. Got you tangled. Come on. Keep going.
Dad, no, you need to.
Nope. Okay, now you got it. He's out of the pads. You got it. Perfect. Here he comes.
God.
Bring him over to me. Hey. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Dad, there you go. Dad, don't love that thing.
That's a good fish, Jackson.
Dad, don't love that.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Dad, look.
Good fish, buddy. Give him a kiss.
No.
Give him a kiss.
No.
Okay, Asher, give him a kiss. Set him
Let
free.
me see the bass's mouth.
Are you
Get
gonna
over here, sweetie.
Are you gonna kiss his mouth?
Perfect.
Joe, can I reel that in?
Here, take it. I don't know how that fish is still on.
Wait, whoops.
Is it still on? Oh yeah, he's still
Oh
on.
my goodness. Thing's fighting like a monster. Oh, it's a bass.
That's a bass.
We
I'm gonna
caught
bring him
another fish.
Bring him right up to me.
Smallmouth
Ooh,
bass.
nice one, Asher. Bring him over. Over here.
Now I'm gonna
Oh
kiss
my gosh.
Good job. Watch back, back, back. There you go. Good job. There you go. Nice job, Asher. Boop.
Bro.
Paddle.
Where's my paddle? The fishing is going good, but we haven't caught a lot. We catch some fish, and now it's time for burgers. We're gonna go back to the cabin to play a little bit before we go fishing again. I could turn you guys off. Asher is sleeping.
On the right.
I'm gonna wake up Asher from his nap. Okay.
Emery, don't touch it, please.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know how long it's been dead.
We're gonna go back to fish again.
Yeah, what Jackson said, we're gonna go try to catch some fish. And we're also gonna probably catch like a 5-pounder because we're gonna be staying there for like 10 hours, I think. That's what they said, but.
Sure.
Dad?
Hey, outdoor boy Jeffrey here. That's the lens. You want to reel it in? Okay. That didn't take long. Nice.
That's super sour. Daddy, I do know how thin with a life jacket on.
Really?
Yeah. I did know how thin with a baby life jacket on.
He's on still. Take it. There you go. Oh, yes, no, get him! Hey, we doubled up! That thing keeps floating. Oh, no. Bring him in, buddy. Keep tension, I'm gonna roll over. Come on. You can do it.
That might take my pole away.
It might. Oh, there he is. Nice one, buddy. Bring him back to me. Oh, nice. Hey. Yeah. Over here. Behind you. Behind you. Over here. There you go. Nice fish, dude.
the-
Good job.
Here.
Yeah, we don't need it. I already got him off.
I know.
Good work, Jackson. Come on over. There you go. There you go. Bring him in, buddy.
I can handle this.
I know.
That when we get to the cabin, I bet.
Oh boy. Come on. There you go. Wow, that was really strong of you. Keep going. Bring him in.
Oh.
Keep going. Yep, keep reeling. Here he comes.
Like that.
Hike. Oh, good job.
Yeah.
You got him in the net.
Look!
Oh no!
Fish!
Why don't you show this? Good job. Why don't you dump him in the water? Yep. There he goes.
That was a cool way to let fish go.
Like grab open the box and like you peel it open and all.
Yuck. Alright. Well, I suppose. Adios. You're not gonna make that. Alright, throw it back in. Thanks. Whoa, easy, man.
It real like at the same time. Use the net.
Real.
Get him, outdoor boy.
Come on. Oh, it's got some pull to it. Keep going. Come on. Oh boy.
Take it with
Bring him over here. Yeah, I got the
Good
net.
one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Bath.
Yep.
Nice.
Bring him over here. Come on. Over to Dad. Come on. Oh yeah. Good
We
job,
got
buddy.
him.
Not bad.
Is that one good enough to eat?
Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad. Do you know your players went?
I was like, where are they? Here, Dad.
Oh, thanks. Perfect.
Dad, let's touch his eye.
Die or something?
Okay. Give him a kiss goodbye. You know, a real kiss. Come on, like this. Mwah! Big kiss, right on his lips, right on his lips.
Wait,
Do it. Come on. Oh,
Ow.
okay. Bye, fish. Was that a good day, Jackson?
Yes.
Ready to go back to the cabin?
Yes, and go fishing in the morning.
Maybe.
Yeah, we can go fishing at the cabin lake.
Whoa.
When I played in the NFL?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did a lot of that in the NFL.
Go!
Isn't it crazy that I played in the NFL?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How come you didn't buy it?
How come I didn't buy a mansion? Oh, I gave all my money to charity.
What's charity?
Charity? It's something that you do when you show off how much money you have. You give it all to charity. The charity I gave it to was to help kids like yourself that only catch weeds.
Go! No, seriously.
I'm being serious. I would never lie about that.
So as you could see, me and Jackson are back from fishing and we are just relaxing. So yeah, we're not going to tomorrow because tomorrow's our last day, of course. We have to get back to school. And we're like pretty happy and kind of sad because we left. We didn't have as much luck. Jackson caught more fish than me. Embarrassing. So say how much fish you caught, Jackson.
None.
No, you caught like 5.
No, I didn't catch any a day.
He got 5. And so we stopped because of this.
Oh, you're alright.
I would just,
JD's car broke down. So I'm gonna go look at it right now. See what happened.
Right up in there.
Oh,
Broken.
yeah, right up in there. It's really broken. Sorry, Jackson started sleeping really cutely, so I had to take another video of him. So let's see. So stupid.
Hi, this is me again, and it's a little one. This is my sister. Who always trying to do that to me. And yeah, I'm still wearing PJs. Well, I have pretty hair. Okay. It's morning, and we are going to eat strawberries and pancakes and waffles and nothing else. And eggs.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.